Hello everybody, welcome back to Orange Hollywood and Friends. And today we're visiting the Titanic in Minecraft. Let's go. Titanic. I don't know why. Oh my god, it's already submerged underwater. What just happened? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you it's a flood mod. Get the high ground now. Spoil. Chingon. What? What? Oh no, the carpet is dying. Look at the water. It be rising. Wait, for real, it's rising. It's like the Titanic. It's actually sinking. Get it. If we go inside the Titanic, if we try to go inside the Titanic, it won't work because it's flooded. You know, like how am I supposed? Oh my god! Look at this music. Oh my god! Oh god! Go in the funnel. It's submerged. If you want me to build the Titanic by myself, this Titanic is mod. If you want me to build the Titanic, I don't know what happened to my skin. Why is it steam? I don't know why my skin is steam now. I don't know what happened to it, but something happened. And it got deleted. I still don't know. Go on the ship! Wow, this is really getting some. Oh no. Okay. Oh, we can get higher? Oh, let's go. We can go higher. Now it won't sink us. Oh my god, the lifeboats! No, the lifeboats. I thought the lifeboats can float. Never mind, they can because for some reason it's not having a great time. The Titanic, the ASMR Titanic is not having a great time. And no, I'm not talking about the ASMR. There's like, I fell. Dang it. Let's just go on this. Oh, at least let's say, at least that's not underwater. It was loaded. It was loaded. Wait, is the entire world going to be covered in water? Oh shit. Oh, the funnels. Look at this. Everything is underwater. The funnels are almost entirely underwater. Oh no! Ah! Oh, it's flooding more. It's flooding more. Oh no! Like once it rises again, that's gonna rise. Wait, look at the Titanic. It's having a bad day. Did it rise? Jump in. We could just go over here because you know this is here. We're safe. That's perfectly fine. Maybe because it's slabs. Oh my god. What just happened? Up in the bumps. Just let the flood do it. Oh, Selena. Ah, yes. A perfect day under the water. It hasn't even. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh no! 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 Oh no! We're dying! No! Oh god! Wait, not this. No! No! Get under here! Here's the only safe place. There we go. I mean, this is the only place that survives. Let's go over there. Yeah, we survived. Let's go. I actually need to go under the water. Go under the water. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see the Titanic. Oh my god, the Titanic is dying. Look how much the water ride. Ah! I just found the water. Oh. Once the Titanic is submerged in the water, it's dead forever. You can check it out what it looks like, but I mean, look at what's happening. This township, I see. Uh-oh. Now we're on the water. Oh no! This is... I don't know what happened to the water. I don't think I can fix this. Oh, I guess I'll try. Didn't fix it. Wait, did I? Oh yeah, I did. Oh, there we go. Man. Oh my god. That saved it. I think. The other funnels are completely the same thing. Wait, what? One of them? Never mind. They're both the same. I thought the other one was bigger, or nah, not. Somebody's watching. I forgot his name. That's weird. Actually, no, that's freaking weird. What? What? That is... Well, I'm just gonna... There we go. Because that was weird. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Just like the video, I don't care. Just like, you don't need to subscribe. Or if you want to, you can subscribe. But just do that if you want to. And the reason why I want you to do it, like, because, well, you can subscribe too. It's your choice. Not mine. And yeah. But let's try to reach the 400 subscribers since I don't even have that much anyways. Let's try to make it to 400. And I might even do a 400 special. I don't know. The 400 special might be making the Titanic. Because you know, I can do it. I don't know how this place is gonna fill it up, so I'm gonna go do it and fill it up. Oh my god. Oh, his name is called Special Ed. Wait, first let me just... Okay, I'll end the video. That is too